heartbreaking images coming out of Guatemala shook Miami businessman and philanthropist Michael Capone to his core.
People were living in a village that basically got completely annihilated.
He's the founder of the charity, the Global Empowerment Mission.
I just know I have to do it. It's just something that's within you.
Within 2 days of the deadly eruption, Capone and his team jumped on a flight to the disaster zone.
We saw this thing erupt at 7 in the morning. We were literally planning the trip by 9 a.m.
There he met up with Allison Thompson from New York, founder of a group called Third Wave Volunteers, whose motto is everyone is needed.
My mission is always about love. It's just about, hey, I love you and I care for you. And that's what it's all about. I go around and I just hug everyone.
First stop, buy supplies.
We find that it's much easier to just purchase stuff right on the spot here.
Even a bar of soap can make a difference. Many of the survivors have absolutely nothing left.
It's just shocking.
Their faces show desperation as they swarm the volunteers.
Today I had a lady break down in my arms and just cry.
The team also providing medical aid. This young woman is having fainting spells.
We really don't look at it as a job. For a lot of us, if not all of us, it's a passion that we do and it's a calling in life that we have. The people in Guatemala need help.
The need so great. They give what they can today and are now racing back to the States to return with more help and hope. And if you would like to help, we put a list of organizations on our Facebook page. Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.